northern Putnam County, until 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:03 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles southwest of Crawfordsville to near Rockville, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Latiga, Jamestown, Roachdale, Bainbridge, New Market, North Salem, Waveland, Russellville, New Ross, Bloomingdale, Marshall, Carpentersville, Cecil Hardin Lake, Groveland, Shades State Park, and Judson. This includes Interstate 74 between mile markers 52 and 55. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Boone, Hendricks, Montgomery, Park, and Putnam.